Suppose that you have loaded this Excel into Powerquery, and this is the table, and you want to extract only this value here for each of the table, only this. So how do you do that? And first we are to remove this, and after that we're going to return only these two columns, right? Only these first two rows. So that would mean that you need to use the FirstN and also the promote headers pictures. So first thing is that I'm gonna have this. Let's say you have this table here. Okay, so we have this table. Now going to remove this row. How to remove that row? We use this visual table dot remove rows, and give that data a column that has full of tables, and then it says how many rows you want to remove, right? And you say this is the first row, right? So then you remove it. Now if let's say you want to remove the first row, or you want to remove the second row, right? You can put 1 there. So you can see that this is sales report, and this one is that they remove the second row, but the index is 1. This is why it's removed. But we don't want that. We wanted to remove the first row. So the first row has an index of 0. So I remove that, and you see, it's gone. So the first row is removed using that feature. The next thing is that I'm only interested in the first 2 rows, and that is using the FirstN. The table dot FirstN followed by the custom, and tell them you want to tell Powerquery you want to have the first 2 rows, and that is how you get to this. Okay, and then next, if you want to only have this column 6, you can always add another column and just type tailor dot column. You're only interested in 1 column, which is the column 6 of this column. Okay, so this is the transform data columns, right? And then we tell Excel we want to have column 6 Powerquery, and then click OK. And here you get the list. So from this table, for each of this table, we want to have this column, and this is how we make use of table.column. And thanks for watching, right?